Hey everybody, welcome back to my Ratson Rod build. Today I've got some pieces of sheet metal cut out and I'm going to fill in some gaps on the cab when I cut the top off. Okay, so cut some pieces of sheet metal. Well, I'll have to get that out later. But you can see how they kind of fit on there. I'm going to have to tack them on, maybe massage them a little bit with a hammer as I go. Then up here on these corner pieces, cut a little bracket. Now this metal here is a little thicker than the stuff I previously showed you on the back pieces. And on the back you can see where I've tack welded on a flange nut. And what that's for is to make a place to possibly bolt down a little bracket on top of the edge of the windshield right here on the corner to help hold it down. If not, I'll just put a button head screw in there and hopefully it looks finished. So now I'll get tacking this stuff in and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've got this side welded in. Doesn't look too pretty right now, but once we get it all sanded down, it'll look okay. There's the one on the windshield post. Alright, we'll do the other side and get it all ground down and sanded down. Okay, I've got my patches all welded in, ground down, looking okay. Got the front A-pillar corners all welded in and ground down. Alright, well that's it for this trip. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.